I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop your iPhone or iPad music automatically switching to play on your HomePod when the devices are next to each other. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap General in the list of options. Step 2. Tap AirPlay and Continuity. The associated options are displayed. Step 3. Tap to toggle off Transfer to HomePod. Going forward, when you set your iPhone or iPad close to your Apple HomePod, the music won't transfer to play through that device automatically. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.